Since the 1970s, Shakespeare Classic Antennas have always been made to provide basic communication and navigation capabilities. The Classic series covers the widest variety of vessels in the Shakespeare family. VHF Marine Radios, quality Shakespeare antennas. Cost-effective, primary need on most vessels. VHF equipment is installed on all large ships and most seagoing small craft, and is also used on rivers and lakes. VHF radio frequency, 156.0 to 162.025 MHz. Transmission power between 1 and 25 watts, with a small craft effective range of about 5 nautical miles, 9 kilometers, 6 miles, between antennas. Top reviews from the United States. Standard VHF masthead antenna for sailboats. They've been making these forever. Once in a while I wind up replacing it, either just proactively after a number of years and once recently due to a near-miss lightning strike that cooked the old one. It comes with a mounting bracket if you need it. You'll probably buy another one just to have as a spare in case of more lighting or the mast falls down or whatever.